AP KYIV, Ukraine U.S. Vice President Joe Biden expressed concern that the suspension by Russia of a contract to ensure safe passage for ships carrying Ukrainian grain could result in an increase in world hunger. Speaking on Saturday in Wilmington, Delaware, Biden said, "It's just awful. The actions they are taking have no merit. That agreement was negotiated by the UN, and that ought to be the end of it." Biden said that Ukraine launched a drone strike against Russian Black Sea Fleet ships on Saturday off the coast of seized Crimea, hours after Russia declared it would immediately cease participation in the deal. The attack was disputed by Ukraine. Volodymyr Zelenskyy, the president of Ukraine, described the decision as expected and claimed that Russia has been purposefully escalating the food situation since September. According to him, 176 grain-loaded ships are currently unable to leave Ukrainian ports. More than 7 million people will eat this. In his nightly address to the country on Saturday, he asked, "Why is it that a small group of people in the Kremlin can decide whether there will be food on the tables of people in Egypt or Bangladesh?" According to a Washington-based think tank called the Institute for the Study of War, Russia had been putting conditions on the agreement for some time. Even if Ukraine had authorized the assault on the Russian Black Sea Fleet, it would have been appropriate to Russia's recent bombing campaign against infrastructure and civilian targets in Ukraine, it was further said. Moscow increased its missile and drone attacks earlier this month on Ukraine's power plants, water systems, and other crucial infrastructure, causing 40% of Ukraine's electrical system to be damaged and prompting the government to impose rolling blackouts. Russian strikes are still occurring all around the nation.